Hello, we are Sergi,
Xavi.
And me, Paula, and we are the members of the Ecoworkshop group, and we are from Lleida, Torrevicenç. We are going to present you our project.
We spoke with the director of IES Torrevicenç and came to the conclusion that we have a serious problem of space. There are more and more students and fewer classrooms, reaching the point of not fitting and having to take turns to use them.
From the main problem, we decided that our project would consist of a modification in the playground, just in front of the canteen of our school, in which we would build an eco-workshop. We'll use half of the soccer field and we will make an excavation of it, so that the roof of our project is at the height of the canteen and you can also use it as a terrace.
First of all, about the location, the project will be incorporated in the grounds of IES Torrevicenç located in Catalonia, Lleida. The main idea is the construction of a workshop in the area of the soccer field, in which through a long moment of clearing, we will get to use the roof of the workshop for use as a terrace in the canteen of the school. One of the things that we took into account to make our eco-workshop in the area finally chosen was the fact of the quality of the sun in that area of the high school, since it has sun during the whole day, either in the morning or in the afternoon.
We have also taken into account the current classrooms that our school has because, as we said, being an area with so much sun is a problem, especially in summer, because of the excess heat in the classrooms that have their windows next to the playground. That is why in the areas between our project and the current run of the school, we have put a green area and we have planted trees. Since in that area there is also an entrance to our eco-workshop.
The trees we have planted are Cercis siliquastrums, also known as love tree or Judas tree, a deciduous tree as it provides shade in summer and does not block sunlight in winter, whose height is between 4 and 6 meters. At the beginning of the spring, it's covered with pink flowers which appear before the leaves. It is characterized for being a good garden tree due to its colorful blooming and the shade it provides.
Some of the following Sustainable Development Goals are reflected in our project. For example, quality education, because it's a further step towards improving the educational quality of the center, as it has more classrooms, a warehouse and a large workshop. Taking into account that the center wants to implement a new project of building, then industry, innovation and infrastructure. It's a project that promotes sustainable industrialization, as it will have many green areas, and as the last SDG, the climate action. This SDG also predominates in our project, as we work with many green areas and also taking advantage of all possible natural light.
In this project, we have worked from a 3D model of IES Torrevicenç using the Sketched program. We have designed and modeled a workshop for students, which can also be used as a terrace for the cafeteria. It will consist of one warehouse, 2 classrooms, 1 workshop and 2 bathrooms. Regarding the installations of the project, there will be a heating system with radiators distributed throughout the workshop. In addition, there will be 2 unisex bathrooms with a sink and a toilet in each one of them. Some of the elements that we will need are reticulate polyethylene cannon, connection of general sanitation service, small evacuation network. One of the problems we found with the previous workshop is that in the winter season we could not do the workshop subject due to the temperatures. With our project we will be able to make this subject continue at any time of the year.
We have used a price generator to obtain the budget, and with all the prices complied, the budget comes around 560,000 euros. We know it might sound quite high, but this would be a necessary sacrifice for the welfare of the institute.
The project is perfectly feasible. If we have the support of the center, it will be a great contribution to the improvement of the operation in the high school, both for the building course as for the rest of the students and workers due to the space gained in the canteen. A disadvantage to take into account is the high budget of the project, but it will be an investment for the future of the high school and all those who work and study here.